1, 2, 3. Hello everyone, today we're gonna analyze and review the DJI company's new products. Let's go! And the name of the product is DJI FPV Digital System. The DJI FPV system has been specially designed for amateurs and professional racing drone pilots. It consists of DJI FPV Camera, DJI FPV Air Unit module, DJI FPV Headset, and DJI FPV Radio Controller, abbreviated into RC. All of which, as the company said, feature powerful functions and exploit their revolutionary DJI low latency HD transmission system. It was long. The DJI FPV digital system incorporates DJI FPV HDL low latency HD transmission technology. This innovative technology was designed in order to enhance your FPV experience. Pilots are not only able to fly their drone faster and easier with less than 28 milliseconds latency, but they can also enjoy the crystal clear view. So, choosing this technology is choosing a highly immersive and enjoyable FPV experience. Trust me. As a highly integrated video transmission solution, this product is equipped with the quality, components, powerful accessories, saving a pilot's time and energy that they would have required purchasing each module separately. So in a package, you're going to save the pilot's time and energy together. An integrated receiver and an easy-to-use flight controller system allow for effortless assembly. Each component has been programmed to work immediately when activated and remember the very first pairing with other components. In other words, eliminating the need to pair modules or adjust parameters before each use. Here are the accessories recommended by the DJI for drone racing. So let's check out the DJI FPV headphones. The DJI FPV headset uses the DJI HDL FPV low latency HD transmission to provide pilots with remarkable HD definitions on both headset displays and maximizing your FPV experience. Pilots can now enjoy both superb image quality and reduced latency to 28 milliseconds. The DJI FPV headset enables recording and playback of 720p 60 fps images. Besides this high-quality HD view, the latency doesn't exceed 28 milliseconds, which provides users with a clear view and faster performance. Videos recorded and saved to the microSD card can be instantly played back on this headset. Live broadcast. Pilots can share the camera view with other DJI FPV headsets connected in public mode in order to allow spectators to see what the racing pilots are seeing. This digital system can be used with analog image transmission, which allows users to switch from analog video transmission to digital video transmission. In focus mode, most of the bit stream is channeled to the center of the video when the signals deteriorate, ensuring a consistently clear FPV view. Most pilots use analog video transmission, which provides an overall poor flight experience. This is due to poor picture quality or signal interference. Thanks to its modern innovations, including a very powerful transmission system, an integrated radio control receiver, and a multi-antenna technology, the DJI FPV Air Unit ensures an outstanding performance. Here's we got a remote control. This remote controller quickly connects to the headset and to the air units for quick takeoff. In addition, its high capacity battery ensures longer usage time and a better flight experience. The DJI FPV camera has a 150-degree ultra wide-angle lens that provides a wide field of view for users. Pilots can also choose from 3 camera modes in order to overcome different flight scenarios, as well as adjust brightness and saturation for the crisp images. So here it is, the analysis of this wonderful new product of DJI. If the content of the video was interesting to you, be sure to subscribe me. Bye for now.